show you that I just made a new order from Tinted Trading. I ordered 3 bags of a 2-pound Pixie gel. As you can see, it does not come all the way filled because this is like a bigger bag. They normally send a smaller bag, so that's why it's only filled to like right here. But there's still like gel up in here that I could like break down or whatever. So I ordered 3 bags of these. As you can see, this is what they look like. So what I normally do, I normally buy 3 bags at one time. You know, each bag is $30. So I normally just put all of this into one bag and then it will be full. So as you can see, they do fall. So that'll probably fall in a second. And then this is the 3rd bag. Again, this is a 2-pound bag. And these do cost $30 each. And if you buy 3 or more, they will come in like a bigger bag and they will be like a little bit less than halfway full. But it's still gonna, because they do it by the weight. So that's why it's not all the way full. And then I did order some more oils. I ordered 2 of the strawberry, and these are 2 fluid ounces. Because I know I get a lot of questions about what size ounce these are. So yeah, these are 2 fluid ounces. And then I ordered pigment, unicorn. Everybody loves unicorn. So yeah, I had to buy some more unicorn. Yeah, as you can see, they do have new packaging. TKB, Truth, Knowledge, and Beauty. I never knew what TKB stood for, but now I do, how to make cosmetics. This is really nice though. I like the new packaging. But yeah, everybody loves unicorn. And then again, these are my 3 bags of facial gel and then the oils. So all of this cost me $101. So if you spend over $100, you get free shipping. Otherwise, shipping would have been like $13. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new stuff that I ordered. And again, if you haven't watched my my TKB Trader sent me a gift, watch that video. I just finished that video. So yeah, if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. But again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.